To use Samsung Wallet without opening the app, you first need to ensure that your device is compatible with this feature. Samsung Wallet is available on most Samsung Galaxy devices running Android 9 or later. Next, you need to set up Samsung Wallet on your device. To do this, go to the Settings app, then select Advanced Features, followed by Samsung Wallet. If you don't see Samsung Wallet in the Advanced Features section, you can download it from the Galaxy Store. Once Samsung Wallet is set up, you can add your credit or debit cards, loyalty cards, and other passes to the wallet. To add a card, open the Samsung Wallet app, tap the plus icon, and follow the prompts to add your card information. To use Samsung Wallet without opening the app, you need to enable the Quick Access feature. To do this, go to the Settings app, then select Advanced Features, followed by Samsung Wallet, and then Quick Access. Toggle the switch to enable Quick Access. With Quick Access enabled, you can access Samsung Wallet from the lock screen, home screen, or when your screen is off. To access Samsung Wallet from the lock screen, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, you can add a Samsung Wallet widget to quickly access your cards and passes. When your screen is off, you can use the double tap to open feature to quickly access Samsung Wallet. To enable this feature, go to the Settings app, then select Advanced Features, followed by Samsung Wallet, and then double tap to open. By following these steps, you can use Samsung Wallet without opening the app, making it convenient and easy to make payments, access loyalty cards, and use other passes on the go. Remember to always keep your device and Samsung Wallet app up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security updates.